The other day I was exchanging with someone about energy work and was listening to this person telling some physical things that were disturbing her. And I remembered when I first heard about the effect of the thoughts on the emotions and on the body. The first time when I heard that, it was a lot of years ago, and I remember that I just didn't know that. I had never before associated thoughts with emotions in a sick body because of the thoughts that triggers negative emotions that causes diseases. This doctor in this speech was talking about the traditional medicine from India and how they think traditionally. I was very surprised and I started observing that. Now, we think that it is a common sense, everyone knows that, but apparently some people don't. Because people, when they want to treat something, they think in isolated aspects. For example, people are treating the body, they are putting attention on their body, looking for help when they are sick by using pills or things like that. They don't consider the emotional aspects. They don't consider the thoughts that trigger the negative emotions. They just don't observe themselves, the patterns. They isolate thoughts from emotions and body. But a human being is made of these three aspects, at least these three aspects. Now, if you think about the emotional aspects, traumas, for example, how long does it take for someone to get rid of a trauma? Something that is the person is carrying over for years or decades, since when the person was a child, for example. You think about years of work to get rid of this, considering the emotional aspect. But this emotional aspect has an influence on the body, on the system, on the health, on the human being. Perhaps it doesn't take so long to see the body healing itself. Perhaps there is a way to fix things in your system, in your body, affecting at the same time the emotions positively. Perhaps you can work on yourself and get rid of the emotional and physical suffering at the same time, in a short period of time. When you talk to someone who works with Touch, we always see the same thing, the exact same comment. It is amazing how simple this is. It is amazing how quick you can learn this, and how fast the body can be recovered, or how fast you can be emotionally recovered, because you are amplifying the energy, raising the energy. My first contact with Touch was by reading the book Touch, The Power to Heal, and I like to tell this story. When I read the second book, Touch 2.0, The New Human, I was really amazed by that. This new technique, essentially working from distance, and even more powerful and faster. Touch is a kind of meditation, but if you think about meditation by itself, you are taking care of yourself. But the beauty of Touch is that you are doing this meditation, you have the positive effects of being here, present with this intention towards somebody else, and both people are affected. You are affected because your body is being used as an instrument where the energy comes and the vibration is raised, and this person, the person who is in front of you, receives this. We feel alive when you do this. It is a different perspective in the life. So I would say Touch is a kind of meditation where you and the other person can be benefited. You are always benefited. And in addition to that, you are doing something for somebody else. In my specific case, when I do a session for someone, it seems it is stronger than when I do something for myself only. In other words, you give and you take. It is like a law. it is how it works. And you can learn this very easily going to QuantTouch website. In several different locations in the world, you can have on-site workshops, online workshops, and even workshops in hybrid mode. And you can also learn the original workshop, the basic one, the very first step from your home, the original workshop by Richard Gordon, recorded in the beginning of QuantTouch. It was relatively recent, and you can learn from Richard Gordon. Click on the link below and you see the original workshop, and we start this journey of searching peace and harmony, because to make the technique work, you need to be present. When you're present, you are in peace and harmony. And the good news is that it is easy to go into this state and go deeper into this state. You'll be surprised how easy it is. So click on the link below, the original workshop with Richard Gordon.